Kalonji, which is also known as black onion seeds, is a widely used medicinal plant that has a history of 1,000 years. It finds its use in several forms like kalonji oil, roasted seeds, and raw seeds. Kalonji is rich in vitamins, amino acids, fibers, iron, sodium, calcium, potassium. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin B12, niacin, and vitamin C. It has many essential fatty acids. Kalonji seeds are related to alleviating your intelligence when it is added with honey. Consume it daily on an empty stomach for better brain function. Ayurveda recommends consuming kalonji seeds with mint leaves that can boost memory and prevent neurological disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Kalonji is very helpful to control blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetes. People with diabetes can consume kalonji oil with black tea on an empty stomach for desirable results. Kalonji is also very effective for the heart. It keeps your heart healthy by controlling bad cholesterol levels in your body. You should consume kalonji oil with milk regularly to achieve good results. It also reduces inflammation in your body. It is known for healing joint pains by providing lubrication between the joints. Ayurveda recommends the intake of kalonji oil daily to decrease inflammations. A teaspoon of kalonji can do magic. Yes, it can control your blood pressure. Those who suffer from high blood pressure can drink a teaspoon of kalonji oil with lukewarm water. Not just your teeth, kalonji benefits your overall health, such as bleeding gums and weak teeth. It is a great remedy to cure dental pain. To improve oral health, just mix half teaspoon of kalonji oil with a cup of curd and apply it on your gums and teeth twice a day. Due to pollution, asthma has become a very common disease. Kalonji is a powerful medicine for those who are suffering from asthma. Just mix kalonji oil and honey in warm water and drink it daily. Kalonji also supports your metabolism. According to studies, you will lose weight when kalonji seeds are consumed with warm water. Who doesn't want to look good? Well, kalonji can help you with that. It helps to maintain healthy skin and hair. You can use its oil with lime juice for glowing skin and to strengthen your hair and prevent hair fall. Kalonji is effective to reduce diabetic neuropathy by dropping levels of blood sugar, serum creatinine levels, blood urea levels. It is also used to cure kidney stones and infections. Kalonji is full of antioxidants that neutralize the free radicals. It specifically works against breast cancer, cervical cancer, lung cancers, and pancreatic cancers. Just rubbing little kalonji oil on the forehead can reduce your severe headache and make you relax. It can cure constipation. It heals hemorrhoids, which is also known as piles, and can heal stomach ulcers. The laxative properties in the seed add bulk to the stool and treat constipation naturally. Take kalonji seeds along with black tea on an empty stomach to ease bowel movements. Make a mixture of kalonji oil and vinegar in equal amounts. Warm it slightly and apply it on the hemorrhoids for instant relief from pain. Bad cholesterol, or LDL, is a major risk factor behind the cardiac disease. According to a study published by the National Institute of Health, using kalonji oil significantly brings down the levels of bad cholesterol, while kalonji seed powder improves HDL, or good cholesterol. The incredible components and compounds in kalonji save the liver by regularizing its functions like metabolism, processing nutrients and minerals that are important for the health. Take kalonji seeds or oil daily to reduce the toxicity of chemicals and to safeguard both liver and kidneys. Stomach ulcers can be quite painful, and these sores eat into the mucus lining of the stomach. Researchers reveal that eating black seeds not only reduces stomach ulcers, but also protects the stomach lining from the ill effects of alcohol and promotes digestion. If you are suffering from severe allergies that are causing persistent cold and chest congestion, all you need is a spoonful of kalonji oil. Rub lukewarm oil on the chest to ease congestion and to prevent runny nose and sneezing. Like any other ingredient, kalonji or black seeds should be taken in moderate amounts to avoid adverse effects. If you are planning to give kalonji oil to the children below 5 years, talk to the doctor first. Studies reveal that kalonji may slow down the process of blood clotting and can worsen bleeding disorders. If you are scheduled for surgery, avoid taking these seeds or oil to prevent slow blood clotting. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or recovering from a surgery, seek doctor's advice before consuming these seeds. Thank you. Bye bye.